Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a delicious and easy Asian slow cooked chicken. And if you guys never had this before, stick around and I'll show you guys how to make it. And if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. So if you guys are ready, let's get cooking. Here in my small bowl I have some sweet chili sauce, and then I'm going to start adding all the delicious ingredients. And this is honey. I will have all the exact measurements in the description box down below. And then some sugar. And then this is Worcestershire sauce and sweet soy sauce. And then some ketchup. Along with some garlic powder and some onion powder. And then I'm just going to give it a mix, combine everything well. Oh boy, don't this smell delicious already. You can add fresh garlic if you prefer. Okay, this looks good. In my large slow cooker, I'm going to start placing in the chicken thighs. And this is skin on and bone on. But if you don't care for the skin, then you can go ahead and just remove them. And then with the sauce that we made earlier, I'm just going to pour it all over the chicken. And then I'm just going to go in and just kind of snuggle them all into the sauce. Okay, and then I'm just going to cover it up with the lid and then turn it on to high. After a good couple of hours of cooking, I'm going to remove them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and then I'm going to broil them for a good couple of minutes or until it has a nice charness. And you can eat this as is, or you can go ahead and do what I'm doing. While the chicken is in the oven, I'm going to make a quick garnish, and then here I have some cilantro, and these are minced. And then this is black and white sesame seeds. And then I'm just going to give it a quick mix. Okay. Remove the sauce to a small pot and over medium heat, let it come to a boil, and then lower the heat to low and cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, and then I'm going to go in and brush each of these chicken with the juice. And as you can see, there is a lot of juice left over, and that's the best part. You can go ahead and pour this over your rice, and OMG, it's gonna be delicious. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in and sprinkle the cilantro and sesame seed all over the chicken. Here is the end results of the slow cooked Asian chicken thighs. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!